In today's video, I am going to teach you how to combine multiple Google Sheets together. Start by opening a new or existing Google Sheet that will act as your destination. This is where all the information from your other tabs will come together. Click into an empty cell where you want the combined data to begin. Choose this cell carefully because the results will spill down from here, and anything in the way could be overwritten. Now we'll build a quick array formula to stitch everything together. Type an equal sign, then an opening curly brace, like this. That curly brace tells Google Sheets you are creating an array that can hold multiple ranges. Next, switch over to your other tabs, the ones that hold the data you want to merge. Click and drag to highlight the exact range you want. You'll see the reference appear automatically, including the tab name. After that first range, type a semicolon. The semicolon stacks the next range underneath the first one. Creating a vertical merge. Move to the next tab, select its matching range, and keep adding ranges, each separated by a semicolon inside those curly braces. Add as many as you need. When you've included all the ranges, close the formula with a closing curly brace. Like this, press Enter. Google Sheets will immediately pull in the ranges and stack them vertically in your destination sheet. If everything is set up consistently, you'll see a single continuous list. Take a moment to check alignment. Each source range should have the same columns, in the same order, with matching headers if you are including them. If something looks off, review your formula for typos. Check the tab names, the exclamation marks before ranges, the semicolons between ranges, and that both curly braces are in place. If you see errors, they often point to a misspelled sheet name or a mismatched range size. To ensure accuracy, scroll through the combined results and spot. Check a few entries against the original tabs. Keep your source sheets consistent, same column order and data types, so the combined set stays clean. Remember that Google Sheets saves automatically, but it's still a good habit to verify your work before sharing. That's it. Thanks for watching.